Alright, hopefully everyone's doing great. And now we're going to be unboxing Drosera Nidiformis and Drosera Venusta with a quick update. And I got these Droseras from Predatory Plants. Since it came only with long fibered sphagnum moss, I also added perlite. Drosera Nidiformis is a tropical sundew which is native to South Africa. Drosera Venusta is a subtropical plant which also comes from South Africa. I got home pretty late, so it's starting to get dark really quick. So let me go ahead and turn on this light. I actually saw online that Drosera Natalensis looks very similar to Drosera Venusta. But I actually noticed that Drosera Venusta tends to go a little bit up more and they look a little bit more wild. Whereas Drosera Natalensis, they just kind of go straight out. Here's what I have left over. So I used most of it. This is my first time purchasing from them. I really like how it came out, so I'm pretty happy with my purchase. I also cut both flower stalks to both plants. And I always take the tags off, and I end up writing the name on the side of the pot. And overall, it's looking really good. It's only been a few days, but you can really see how it's really acclimated to its surroundings. Thank you so much for watching Mike under this Carnivorous Plants. Have a great day. Bye.